Hey guys, welcome to SK Digital Learners. This is Saurabh, and today I will show you how to buy cheap and best web hosting with Bluehost in just 5 minutes. So first step, choose the best service provider, which is Bluehost, and then you go to Image 4x. Then if you want, you can read the review, complete review with the Bluehost. You can buy from our link. You will not lose anything, but we will get some commission, which will help us to maintain this website. Okay, so if you want, you can read the review, full complete review and key features of Bluehost. These are the nine most important features with the Bluehost. Before buying the hosting plan, you must read it out. So just check it out before buying the plan. Okay, so this is the complete review, and then you must buy the plan from the Bluehost. And now I will show you how to buy the Bluehost share hosting plan. Go to hosting, open Bluehost from our link, then go to shared web hosting like this. Then you can see the server location USA and India. So you can choose according to your wish. Then there are four plans: basic, plus, choice plus, and pro. Basic is the smallest plan, which is 179 monthly, and which will give you one website with 50 GB SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, 25 subdomains, 1 year, one database domain for 1 year, which is there. Then plus plan and the best plan. If you want, you can choose the choice plus plan, which is 299 monthly. So I'm going choosing the server location India as a data center. Then unlimited websites, SSD, bandwidth, subdomain, and free domain for 1 year. Okay, you can read it out from here also. Then go to select. Okay, then you can type your own domain. For example, I am typing online shop 335. For example, just I'm typing this. Click next. So as you can see, the domain is available. You need to fill up the details over here. Okay, and the most important thing is you need to buy for 36 months. Okay, 36 months, the maximum year, which will give you the maximum benefit if you will go for the 36 month. Okay, then they are giving free SSL. As you can see, free SSL is there, domain privacy and protection free, website backup free, then primary domain registration free. Okay, website security protection, which is 129 per month, is 1548. Okay, so as you can see, it's included. If you want, you can uncheck from here. Then you are saving almost 62%. Okay, so after this, if you want, you can buy and tick over here like this, and then fill up the details, everything. So for example, I have filled the details like this, and then go to submit. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so it will redirect you to the payment option, which is 14,000. Is it will be according to your choice if you go for 36 months or else. Okay, so like this you can buy a domain hosting and from the Bluehost within just 5 minutes. You can pay from here, and you can buy the best web hosting, cheap and best web hosting from here, from the Bluehost. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video. I will come up with the more videos for you. Thank you for watching.